fashion lovers and lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's Kennedy Jazz. I am so excited to see you guys. For my returning subscribers, how y'all doing? Looking good, looking good. And for my newcomers, welcome. My channel is all about luxury, lifestyle, fashion, and I'm just gonna be taking y'all on an adventure in my life. I have a unboxing for you guys, a try on, and I'm gonna also review them. So I have Express unboxing for you, and then I have a luxury unboxing for you. I'm gonna give you like 2 seconds to take a guess on what type of shoes I'm gonna unbox today for you. Let's take a guess. Okay, time is up. So as most of y'all probably already guessed, it is Christian Louboutin. I bought another pair for my collection and I'm so happy. They're the IRIZA Christian Louboutins. And I have them in the red pair. I only wore one pair of my shoes out of the 9 that I own, so yeah. But I'm just gonna keep collecting because I got it for a great price. And without further ado, let me just get into this video. So for the first pair from Express that I brought were these lovely, cute sandals. These like, you know, faux crystal embellished sandals from Express. They're really comfortable. I love Express, guys. You know, it's just like some cute little summery spring sandals that I'm not gonna wear because I live in New York City and, you know, we're in the middle of fall going into winter, so it's not gonna happen right now. But know me, I buy stuff just to buy stuff, and I gotta really chill out with that because I'm trying to save like at least $100,000, and that's not gonna happen when you're buying shoes. But anyways, look at that detail, right? And here we go with the unboxing of the Louboutin. So let me tell you a quick little story about these. So I was on Poshmark. I sell a lot of my items on Poshmark, things that I don't wear any longer, or the shoes that I just order and like I don't want them. I sell all my stuff on Poshmark. So guys, make sure to follow me on Poshmark. I'm gonna be linking below in the comment section. But yeah, so anyways, I was just looking for shoes. I was actually looking at them for a gift, and I came across these IRIZA Louboutins. The guy who was selling them, he was selling them for a good price. He was selling them for $500, which with Poshmark you can still kind of like, you know, bid on, you know, a different price. And so I bought these for $395. These shoes retail for $695. I bought them from him for $395. So basically why he sold these shoes were because he bought them for his wife. I love a man who spoils his wife, okay? He bought them for his wife, and his wife was pregnant at the time when he bought them for her, and her feet were getting bigger, so she couldn't fit them. And so, you know, somebody's trash is another person's treasure. Even though these are brand new, they're not trash. But you know what I'm saying. But let me go get a knife and go from there. So let me, 1 second. I got my keys. Guys, I hope the lighting's okay. I'm sorry for the lighting if it looks kind of weird. Sorry about that. I'm really trying to like get better with this lighting thing. Okay. So, more dust paper. Yes, he hooked us up with these. Another box. Woo! Let me tell you something really fast. I usually always buy my stuff brand new. 95% of the time I buy my stuff brand new. But I will buy something if it's like a super good price and the person didn't wear them. And that was the case for this. If you're gonna buy like a luxury item off the primary website, which like if you're buying a pair of Christian Louboutins, if you're not buying it from the Christian Louboutin store or Saks Fifth or Neiman Marcus or Bergdorf Goodman, make sure you know what you're buying. Like, it's always good to do your research prior before buying something of that amount of money, because guys, there's a lot of fakes out here, and I feel like it's, why buy fakes when you can just save up the money and buy the real stuff, the real thing, and you can sell it, you know, and get some money back. Because with fakes, and you might still can sell it, but it's like you won't get nearly as much as you could if you just bought the real thing. I know not everybody's able, and I'm not trying to brag or anything, but like, you know, that's for me personally. So anyways, let's open this up. Let's see how they look. So I got my heel tips in there. Heel tips. So my dust bag. This is just gonna be added to my collection of dust bags and boxes. Got so many. I'm so excited. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, these are beautiful. These are the Christian Louboutin IRIZA pumps. They are in the size 100 millimeter, which is 4 inches. Like I say in my previous videos, I always buy 100 millimeters. You know, honestly, guys, I always say I wouldn't buy the 120, but a sister might can just buy a 120 because honestly, the only reason I had to like kind of downsize in heels was because I had ankle surgery, but my ankle has been getting like it's been healing better and everything. So I might just start again wearing, you know, higher heels because the higher the heel, the higher to heaven. So guys, as you can tell, these are my red pair of IRIZA pumps. They are in patent leather, size 100 millimeter heel, which equals 4 inches. They are known to be the most comfortable pair of Christian Louboutins that there is because of the half dorset, which is on the side. As you can see, the opening gives your feet room to breathe. And guys, as you can tell, the toe box is very narrow, but as you can see, the side is open, so that decreases the pressure in the shoe. So y'all can dance in these all night and walk in these for hours. And as you can see, these are my brand new pair. Look at the classiness on these babies, guys. Also, IRIZAs are true to size. So if you would like to order a pair, make sure they are your true size or order a half size down because they will stretch and you don't want them hanging off the back of your feet. Look how easy they are just to slide on. That is like a dream shoe. Like, do y'all see how classy these look? Look how I paired them with the black stockings and it just creates this illusion of a longer and slimmer pair of legs. They are certainly worth the price tag. Happy holidays, happy new year, Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah. God bless you and your family. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, you are fashionable, you are lovely, and you belong in luxury. Bye, y'all.